Higher vibration is the secret to faster manifestation. Higher vibration is the secret to even greater manifestation. And you know that when you are manifesting wealth and abundance, you need to have higher vibration for money, wealth, success, and abundance. If your vibration is not high and your belief system are not positive, then it doesn't matter what you are doing, how talented you are, how hardworking you are only blocking your success and wealth and prosperity. And that is why today I am giving you 3 things that you should do immediately and every single day to unblock all those blockages for your wealth and prosperity and raise your vibration, especially for money, wealth, and abundance, so that abundance start flowing into your life. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And so many of you are requesting some videos on money, wealth, success and abundance, and this video is for you. And if you want more videos like this, or if you want me to create some videos relevant to business success or any other areas of life, do let me know in the comment section. So if you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our awesome tribe. Now today we are talking about money, wealth and prosperity. So early in life I had been taught that hard work is the only secret to success and only secret to riches. But as I grew up and I started my job, I started working really hard, and I was talented, and I was working in my engineering job, and I was then getting into management consulting, and I was realizing that yes, work is a big part of life, but if our vibration and belief systems are not aligned, then it doesn't matter how much we are hardworking or how talented we are not achieving success. And then I started observing people around me, and I found the most common thing, and I'm sure all of you agree, that there is nothing more common than hardworking and talented people. They are struggling in their life, especially when it's come to money, wealth and success. And usually it is said it's because of other people and all. I don't believe in it. I believe it's because of the inner beliefs that they carry. And when I start understanding it, I changed, and I see tremendous change in my life, tremendous success. And then I have been teaching it to thousands of people, and they have tremendous change in their life. So it's the belief. The belief is the key. If the belief is not aligned, then it doesn't matter what you are doing. So today I'm giving you 3 things that you should start doing immediately, because I believe these are the biggest block. So first one is, you have to know and you have to believe that there is an abundance for everyone. Yes, I believe this is the biggest block for mostly people who are struggling for wealth and prosperity, because they believe that it's not there for them. You have to believe that you deserve abundance, and abundance is your birthright. You deserve to be rich, you deserve to be successful, you deserve to live an abundant and prosperous life. Prosperity, wealth and riches belongs to you. Because if you don't believe in it, you will never going to find it. You will never going to manifest it, no matter what you do. So that is the first thing. So a few years back, I was watching a documentary on Warren Buffett, and there he was talking about it. He said, like, even when he was a kid, he knew that he is going to be one of the richest person. He never focused on being the number 1 or number 2 or number 3 richest person on earth, but he always knew that he is going to be very, very extremely rich. And that belief was always there with him, and that belief led him to do one thing after another, then investing, and then everything grew. So he has never have any doubt. So that's what I want you to have. The belief is the first. It's like the foundation of your riches. If the belief is not there, no matter how many columns you try to build, you are not able to build the castle or the home that you desire. So first thing, you have to believe that you deserve abundance, and abundance is your birthright, riches are your birthright, and you're definitely going to get it. One of the best way to do this is to program yourself continuously. You can keep saying that abundance is my birthright, abundance is my birthright, or I deserve all the wealth I desire, I deserve all the wealth I desire. Or you can listen to our affirmation. There is a beautiful affirmation video I've created, and that is there on our YouTube channel. You can check the link here, and you can listen to that every single day to raise your money vibration. Now the second thing, and this is again a big part, especially people who are struggling, rejoice in others' good fortune. Yes, why you have to rejoice in other good fortune? Because remember the law of attraction, like attracts like. If you are giving happy vibes to someone else's good fortune, you are ready to receive your good fortune happily. But mostly people who have difficulties in finances or money, especially early in life, they have been programmed to look at other people and not being happy for it, and then we try to reason out, oh, why this person is having money, he must have done something wrong, that person must have done something wrong, or they are going to suffer. So there is always people who are struggling with money deep down because of their past programming or the social programming. They keep believing that if someone is rich, then that person has done really something wrong, or that person is suffering in some area, and then you try to reason out and then try to find fault in them. No, my friend, if the universe is showing you that person with wealth or riches, the universe is giving you a sign. You don't have to be worried about what that person, whether that person is happy or not, or whether that person is a right person or wrong person. You are seeing wealth and riches, be happy for that person, for the wealth and riches they are having, because you are just going to receive your wealth and riches. You are manifesting that from your work, from your way, and you stay a good person and be a rich person. There is nothing wrong with that. But when you start being jealous or try to find the wrong reasons, you block your manifestation, you block your wealth. So that is the second point. Rejoice in others' good fortune. Now the third one, be grateful for whatever you have. And keep focusing, keep attracting what you want. Yes, this is where again people with lack, they miss this point. I know so many people, because I have come through this thing, that when they don't have enough money, when their salary is very low, when they have much more need but they are not getting the money, they are going through debt, they are struggling, they are so much focused on what is going wrong that they are not able to be grateful for even if what they are getting. The number one thing you have to do is first be grateful for whatever you are getting. Even if you are having a job and you are getting a little bit of salary, first be grateful for it. But that doesn't mean that stay there. That means you are soothing your vibration and then you are ready to attract what you desire. If you are a student or a housewife, or you are dependent upon someone else for the money, and whatever money they are asking, maybe your parents, husband, wife, whoever is there at home, whatever money they are earning, first be grateful for that. If you want a bigger home but you have a small home, first be grateful for that. If you want an extremely luxurious car but you have a broken car or you have a small car, first be grateful for that. First be grateful for whatever you have right now, and be grateful so that your energy, your vibration become positive, and then you keep focusing on the things also you desire. When you be grateful for what you have, doesn't mean that you should not desire more. We are not asking you to detach from your dream. We are not asking you to forget about your dreams and settle down there, be satisfied and just stay there. No, be grateful and attract. This is the key. So my friend, if you start understanding, remembering and following these three things, knowing that you have an abundance is your birthright, rejoice in others' good fortune, and be grateful for what you have and keep attracting what you want, then you will definitely change so much inside you. You start feeling abundant and wealthy and prosperous inside you, and when you do that, the new opportunities, new things started coming your way, money started flooding in your life, and that's when all that talent that you have, all the hard work that you do, all the things that you, all the effort that you put, that will start giving you the result, and that's when more and more things will start flowing in your life. So my friend, this is the time for you to transform and manifest all the success and wealth you desire. If this video is an eye-opener for you, like it, share it with someone you love, and let me know in the comment section if you are making one of these mistakes. And right now, go to the comment section and write, yes, 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 abundance is my birthright. And if you want to learn more tools, techniques and processes to raise your money vibration, then check our program, Raise Your Money Vibration. It's a 21 days powerful program, and thousands of people have used that program and transformed their money beliefs, and now they are earning more and more and creating more wealth every passing day. So now it's your time. And if you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button, the bell icon, and be a part of our awesome tribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.